Hello gamers. Welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, we are not installing or set up games or emulators. It is all about the search for our PS3 game's title by its serial ID. By using my Excel macro-enabled program called Search PS3 Game Title and Info by Serial ID.xlsm, we are going to be able to add to my so-called database in Sheet 2 named as XDB. Usually, when we install PSN or HDD type of PS3 ROMs, it comes in a package and WRAP files. Once they are installed, they will be in a folder such as NPUB 30031 or NPUB 00073 etc. It is the game's serial ID. We can always use RPCS3 to get the name and serial ID. I wrote this program just as a tool to keep track of all my games in the XDB, and update it as often as I can. It is safe to use as it is an open source code, so that you can check every line of codes via the VBA editor. Refer to my previous video on how to enable the macros. With that said, let's go. Open the Excel program. To add developer in the top menu, right-click on any of the top menu and choose Customize ribbon. Here, check the developer checkbox and click OK. Click on Developer and choose View Code. Under Tools, choose References. Make sure you have these references checked as shown here. You can close the VBA editor and go back to Excel. In tab Sheet XDB. As you can see, here are some of my PS3 games that I had scraped, for example, BLUS 31218 Ultra Street Fighter 4. Go back to tab Sheet Scraper. In cell C4, which is currently in yellow color, it requires a unique PS3 game ID that is 9 characters long. Anything less or more, it remains yellow and cell E4 will show not found. Let's type in a test ID, as shown here. It meets the criteria, but not found in XDB. When we click Scraper, since cell E4 status is not found, my program will skip searching XDB and goes to a web page for scraping. As you can see, RPCS3.net returns an error message. When we key in an ID that meets the criteria and found in XDB, both cell C4 and E4 turns green. Now click Scraper button. When cell E4 is a row number, as shown here, my program will get these info from XDB. Then it will ask if we want to update from the web. When we click Yes, an Internet Explorer window will open and scraping starts. Do not close this window, it will close itself when done. Scraping is done via 2 web pages, rpcs3.net and gametdb.com. When scraping finished, a message box will pop up just to remind us to update XDB. Just click OK to close the message box. Now click the Update XDB button. Since it is already in XDB row 11, a confirmation message box will pop up. Click Yes will update the record at row 11, overwriting the old record. Click OK to close the message box. As for demo, I am going to update my games, as shown here, into XDB. Type in the game ID in cell C4 and press Enter. All data fields will be cleared including any image. As you can see, this game ID is new and not found in XDB. Let's fix that. Any attempt to update XDB at this juncture will be denied, as shown here. When we click Scraper button and scraping finished, click Update XDB button. Since it is a new record, it will be at the last row, as shown here in row 12. Repeat the process with all your games. If the game status is playable, the status cell will be green. As for in-game status, it will be orange. Intro status color is gold. Loadable ones will be in red. When we click the Show Picture from RPCS3.net button, cell C8 will be highlighted and the image from that URL will be displayed. Now click Show Picture from GameTDB button, cell C9 will be highlighted and the image from that URL will be displayed. I hope that you find my program a useful tool for gamers. Feel free to leave any comments in the comment section below. That's all for now. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.